This is me, Khalilullah. I am from Pakistan and I did graduation in zoology. Now I do teaching as in a private school. I'm here as a finance manager as well as I do teaching here up to second year.
Okay. So as you have mentioned that you are consultant. So how many students do you have?
We have almost 300 students here.
Okay. So do you think that your students are very flexible and they have flexibility, simplicity, and modesty? I mean, they are very honest.
Yes, exactly. They are honest and we are living in a hospitable area. These people are also very interested in education to develop their skill, their knowledge, and work on their education as well. First, here wasn't any concept of education. Now our area is growing day by day.
Okay. So definitely there is someone who is most intelligent. So can you mention a name of your student who is very intelligent?
Okay, here are lots of students. I in my class. Okay, I do teaching to different classes. And eighth class, we have students, especially in male and female. Both are intellectual, but in male, here is a student. His name is Uzair. He is a very intellectual student, and also in sixth class students, there are five students. I'm very inspired from their writing and also from their and knowledge. When nowadays we arrange an exam, and yesterday I checked their papers. They were very good and appreciable. They got 1,000 marks, and 100 marks. They got 90 marks.
Okay. So I am from Bangladesh. So you are from Pakistan. So do
Yeah.
you have any friend in
Yeah.
Bangladesh?
Actually, I haven't any friends of Bangladesh, but really I like those people. I some and previous years when I had to learn English, I can said to them many times, but I haven't friends mostly from your country.
Okay, so do you think that, as you have mentioned, that the people of Bangladesh are very good? So, what's your opinion about the former Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina? Do you know Sheikh Hasina?
Yes, I know.
Okay, so what's your opinion
I know
about?
little bit information. Yeah, I she was I think the daughter of what's his name? Then Bangladesh people is
বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান.
I think the Sheikh Mujibur Rahman daughter she is. So I she was good I think.
Yeah, but from my,
Yeah.
I mean, if you say that she is good, Bangladeshi people won't take it easily because she is the biggest confiscator in Bangladesh. I mean, corrupted prime minister, former prime minister of Bangladesh. No one in Bangladesh loves her for his, for his just criticism. I mean, for illegal activities.
Mm-hmm.
She is
Yeah.
master in illegal. What is called? Without justice. I mean, she loved
Oh.
murdering people without justice. I mean, extrajudicial killing.
Oh, exactly. There
Yeah.
was.
So, what's your opinion
Yeah.
about your country? There was someone. I mean, former Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran. I mean, I don't know the full
Gigi.
name, but what's your opinion about this man?
Oh, it's good. Imran Khan, there was in our country, I think up to from 2077, sorry, 47, till to 2017, 15. The people, they was just considered that here was not a clear-cut democracy. Just other people was behind them, establishment. Actually those people ruled, and the people, they depressed people on their hands, and the people, they couldn't do anything. When Imran Khan, he is Patan also, and we are also Pathan in Pakistan. You know the history of our people, and he is actually Pathan, and he exposed establishment. And now, you know, here is a protest. Imran Khan, we consider his foreign policy was also good. He came in 2018. When he came, so he first he worked on foreign policy,
Okay.
and he also aware people. He also aware the people because he is an international person. He had been played in many countries, and he exposed a lot. When he came, so he aware all people, young generation also, and you know, and aged people also aware by Imran Khan. He is very appreciable person, and this is you know, illegally his government was you know, break by establishment, and then they dominated other people over us.
Okay.
And our people, you know, Pakistani nation is not the pair of them.
Okay, I'm very satisfied how you speak. It looks like American speaker. So